Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all the PC builders out there. We're diving into the world of motherboards and bringing you the top 5 best motherboards of 2024. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you're planning to build or upgrade your PC, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the MSI Mag B760M Mortar Wi-Fi. This motherboard is packed with features that cater to both gamers and content creators. With built-in Wi-Fi, excellent power delivery, and a sleek design, the MSI Mag B760M is a solid choice for your next build. Check out the link in the description to get more details. The MSI Mag B760M Mortar Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard, your gateway to a superior gaming and computing experience. Designed to accommodate the latest 12th and 13th Gen Intel processors with the robust LGA 1700 socket, this motherboard is a powerhouse that caters to both gamers and content creators. With support for DDR5 memory, the Mag B760M allows you to elevate your system's performance to new heights. Experience speeds of up to 7000 plus OC MHz, ensuring seamless multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness. Equipped with a 12+1+1 duet rail power system, dual 8-pin CPU power connectors, core boost, and memory boost, this motherboard ensures enhanced power delivery for a stable and efficient operation. It's engineered to meet the demands of modern computing and gaming. Get ready for an unparalleled gaming experience with features like PCIe 5.0 slot, Lightning Gen 4 x 4 M.2, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. These cutting-edge technologies guarantee swift data transfer, reduced load times, and an overall smoother gameplay. The MSI Mag B760M is not just about power, it's also about keeping cool under pressure. The extended heatsink design and M.2 shield frozzer are meticulously crafted to maintain optimal temperatures, ensuring your system performs at its best even during prolonged gaming sessions or resource-intensive tasks. Boasting a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN and Wi-Fi 6E, this motherboard ensures that you stay connected at high speeds, whether you're gaming online, streaming content, or handling heavy workloads. The USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 further enhances connectivity options, making data transfer a breeze. Designed for Windows 10, the Mag B760M is compatible with a range of Intel processors, including Celeron and Pentium Gold. With a CPU model specifically tailored for Pentium, this motherboard offers exceptional performance for budget-conscious users. It supports a memory storage capacity of up to 64 GB, providing ample room for your applications and games. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gigabyte B550 Gaming X V2. Gigabyte has been a trusted name in the industry, and this motherboard lives up to the reputation. With PCIe 4.0 support, advanced cooling solutions, and a budget-friendly price tag, the B550 Gaming X V2 is a fantastic option for those looking for a great balance between performance and affordability. Find the link below for more information. The Gigabyte B550 Gaming X V2, a formidable AMD Ryzen 5000/B550 ATX motherboard designed to elevate your gaming experience. Packed with cutting-edge features, this motherboard combines performance, durability, and versatility to meet the demands of today's gaming enthusiasts. Engineered to support AMD 3rd Gen Ryzen and 3rd Gen Ryzen with Radeon graphics processors, the B550 Gaming X V2 ensures you stay ahead in the gaming curve. Unleash the power of your AMD processor with this motherboard's seamless compatibility. Featuring dual-channel ECC/non-ECC unbuffered DDR4 with 4 DIMM slots, this motherboard supports memory speeds of up to 4400 MHz. Benefit from fast and efficient multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling resource-intensive applications. The 10+3 phases digital twin power design, coupled with low RDS(on) MOSFETs, guarantees stable power delivery to your components. Experience consistent performance even during intense gaming sessions, thanks to the B550 Gaming X V2's advanced power management. Equipped with an ultra-durable PCIe 4.0 ready X16 slot, this motherboard ensures your system is ready for the future of gaming. Unleash the full potential of your graphics card with PCIe 4.0 support, providing higher bandwidth and improved performance. Experience lightning-fast data transfer with the dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0/3.0 x 4 M.2 connectors. Whether you're loading games or accessing large files, the B550 Gaming X V2 ensures your storage solutions keep up with the speed of your gaming. With HDMI, DVI, and USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, this ATX motherboard provides a range of connectivity options for your gaming setup. Connect multiple peripherals, high-resolution displays, and experience a seamless gaming environment. True to Gigabyte's reputation, the B550 Gaming X V2 boasts an ultra-durable design, ensuring longevity and reliability. Built with quality components, this motherboard is ready to withstand the rigors of gaming and multitasking. With support for up to 128 GB of memory storage capacity, the B550 Gaming X V2 offers ample room for your games, applications, and multimedia files. Enjoy a smooth computing experience with this spacious and expandable memory configuration. Securing the third spot is the Asus ROG Strix B760F Gaming Wi-Fi. Asus Republic of Gamers line has always been synonymous with high performance, and this motherboard is no exception. Featuring Wi-Fi 6, robust power delivery, and Asus Aura Sync for customizable RGB lighting, the ROG Strix B760F is a gamer's dream. Dive deeper into its specs through the link in the description. The Asus ROG Strix B760F Gaming Wi-Fi Intel B760 ATX motherboard, a powerhouse built for elite gaming experiences and seamless multitasking. Unleash the potential of your system with cutting-edge features designed to elevate your gaming rig to new heights. This motherboard is ready to embrace the future with support for 13th Gen Intel Core processors and 12th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors. Ensure your system stays at the forefront of technology with the latest CPU compatibility. Featuring a 16+1 power stages design, ProCool power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, the ROG Strix B760F ensures stable power delivery to support the latest multi-core processors. Experience unrivaled performance during intense gaming sessions and demanding workloads. Thick heatsinks, bridge to the power stages with high-conductivity thermal pads, ensure optimized VRM thermals. Keep your system cool even under heavy workloads, ensuring consistent performance when you need it most. Stay connected with onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax and Intel 2.5G Ethernet featuring Asus LAN Guard. Enjoy high-speed, lag-free gaming and smooth online experiences with intelligent networking solutions. Experience abundant connectivity options with a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C rear I/O port, 7 additional USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Gen 1 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 front panel connector, PCIe 5.0x16 safe slot, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4. This motherboard provides the flexibility you need for your gaming setup. Take advantage of Asus-exclusive AI networking and two-way AI noise cancellation to simplify setup and enhance performance. Enjoy intelligent control over your network and experience crystal-clear communication without distractions. The ROG Strix B760F is designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind. Features like PCIe slot Q release, M.2 Q latch, BIOS flashback button, clear CMOS button, and QLED make customization and troubleshooting a breeze. Stepping into the runner-up position is the Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero. If you're aiming for the pinnacle of performance, this motherboard should be on your radar. With PCIe 4.0, premium components, and Asus AI overclocking, the Crosshair 8 Hero is a beast in the gaming world. Check out the link below for the full scoop on its features. The Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero Wi-Fi ATX motherboard, a pinnacle of performance and innovation designed for gamers and enthusiasts seeking an unparalleled computing experience. Unleash the full potential of your system with cutting-edge features and a DIY-friendly design that sets a new standard in motherboard excellence. The ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero is ready to accommodate 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, providing the foundation for a powerful and responsive system. With support for up to 2 M.2 drives, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and AMD Store MI, this motherboard maximizes connectivity and speed, ensuring your rig is ready for anything. Experience optimal thermal performance with features like an active PCH heatsink, M.2 aluminum heatsink, and the exclusive ROG cooling zone. These components work together to keep your system cool under heavy workloads, ensuring sustained high performance. Stay connected with onboard Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax, featuring MU-MIMO support, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet and Gigabit Ethernet. With Asus LAN Guard protection and support for GameFirst V software, this motherboard delivers high-speed, reliable networking for lag-free gaming and smooth online experiences. The ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Hero features 5-way optimization, offering automated system-wide tuning. This includes overclocking and cooling profiles that are tailor-made for your rig, ensuring optimal performance without the hassle of manual adjustments. Designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind, this motherboard boasts a pre-mounted I/O shield, ASUS SafeSlot, BIOS flashback, and premium components. These features contribute to maximum endurance, ensuring the longevity and reliability of your system. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, claiming the #1 spot is the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX. This motherboard is a powerhouse, offering top-tier performance and cutting-edge features. With PCIe 5.0 support, advanced thermal design, and Aorus RGB fusion, the Z790 Aorus Elite AX is the epitome of excellence. Don't miss out on this masterpiece. Find the link in the description to learn more. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX, an ATX motherboard designed to be the backbone of your gaming and computing powerhouse. Packed with cutting-edge features and a commanding power design, this motherboard sets the stage for an exceptional gaming experience with 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core series processors. The Z790 Aorus Elite AX supports the latest 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core series processors, ensuring your system is ready for the future of computing. With the Intel LGA 1700 socket, experience powerful performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Equipped with 4 SMD DIMMs and XMP 3.0 memory module support, this motherboard is DDR5 compatible. Unlock the full potential of your memory with blazing fast speeds of up to 7,600 MHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness. Featuring a twin 16+1+2 phases digital VRM solution with 70A power stage, the Z790 Aorus Elite AX delivers commanding power to your components. Experience stable and efficient power delivery for optimal performance during demanding tasks. Stay cool under pressure with the M.2 Thermal Guard 3, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, PCI ultra-durable armor, and a 6-layer PCB. This motherboard's advanced thermal design ensures your system remains cool even under heavy workloads, maximizing performance. Embrace next-gen connectivity with SMD PCIe 5.0 for PCIe 4.0x4 M.2 slots and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C. Enjoy lightning-fast data transfer, quick file access, and seamless connectivity options for your peripherals. Experience hassle-free upgrades with the PCIe 5.0 EasyLatch featuring a quick release and screwless design. Upgrade your components effortlessly, saving time and ensuring a smooth installation process. Enjoy fast and reliable networking with 2.5 GB LAN, Intel Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax, and 2T2 or BT5 with Aorus antenna. Whether you're gaming online or handling data-intensive tasks, this motherboard ensures a lag-free and seamless networking experience. There you have it, our top 5 best motherboards of 2024. Each of these motherboards brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. Until next time, happy building!